MSI laptops. Apart from the gamings, MSI laptops are having SteelSeries engine where you can actually customize the keyboard lighting according to your usage. Some laptops are having only red lights and some laptops are having per K RGB. This video is very helpful for many of the people who are looking for how to download the SteelSeries engine and how to install the SteelSeries engine in MSI laptops, and finally how to customize it. So this video includes all these three topics. So without making any further delay, let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, only 0.7% people are subscribed to this channel. What about remaining? Please subscribe and give support me, my dear friends. I wanted to improve this percentage for next upcoming video. Let's see how many of you will do this. First, how to download the SteelSeries engine for your MSI laptop. This question is asked many of you, and some of you also failed to install correctly SteelSeries engine in your MSI laptop. Before getting into the actual process, do note this point, my dear friends. Your laptop must and should support it for SteelSeries engine per K RGB. Otherwise, this entire process won't helpful for you. Some MSI laptops are having only red color for keyboard lighting where it doesn't support the SteelSeries engine. I think many of you are struggling and trying to install SteelSeries engine in your laptop which is having only red color, which doesn't support the per K RGB. If your laptop supports per K RGB, the SteelSeries per K RGB, and still you are facing any of the problems, do watch this video till the end. You will find some solution for your problem. I'll share my screen to guide you how to do this clearly. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is open any of the browser in your laptop, go to SteelSeries website like I'm telling, and follow the steps I'm showing with you. First, open any of the browser in your laptop. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser, and just click the link in the description box, or else you can type this link. This page will pop up for you. Here you select this option, SteelSeries official site. This page will pop up. Click on software, and here you can see bunch of options on the top left side. You can select either engine or GG. I'm selecting the engine. Even you can download GG also. Download the SteelSeries application. It's around 225 MB only. After downloading, the file will be in your download folder and it looks like this. So that's all about the download. The download process correctly we did and downloaded the application into your laptop. Now, second thing is how to install SteelSeries properly and clearly in your laptop. Do follow these steps. For this demonstration, I am uninstalling my SteelSeries application and freshly install a new one like the downloaded one recently. For to uninstall the previous version, I am going to start and search for the SteelSeries engine. Clicking on the uninstall button, there is a page will pop up like this, a new window, and here clicking on the SteelSeries and clicking the uninstall option. The uninstallation process takes some time, and I quickly fast forward this step. After successful installation, you need to reboot your system once, or else it won't clearly erase from your laptop or system. After successful installation, open the application. If you don't find any shortcut to open the application, go to the start and search for the SteelSeries. It will pop up. To open the application, go to start and search for SteelSeries. Here you can see SteelSeries GG. I'm clicking on run as administrator. If you open this application for the first time, it will take some time to open. Here, log in if you are having an account. Otherwise, you can sign up, or even you can skip this step also, no problem at all. After clicking on skip this step for now, there is a new pop-up will be shown, and here you click on continue anyway. And click on this engine and customize your keyboard whichever color you like. See, I clicked the keyboard, and now you can customize whichever color you like. It takes some minutes of time to customize and what are the settings are there in this SteelSeries engine. Soon I will post that one also in future if time permits, but I quickly shown some random settings here. So here you can see that some of the inbuilt templates which comes in your MSI laptop. Even you can customize these too, which I will be shown in future or upcoming videos. Stay tuned for that. So this is how you can properly install the SteelSeries engine in your laptop. But when it comes to the customization, it's totally up to you. It's your wish which color you like for each keyboard, each key. Click on the keyboard and start customizing the lighting according to you. That's all my friends. This is how you download, you install and open the application and start customizing your keyboard in MSI laptop. I quickly glance what are the things I covered in this video. For downloading the SteelSeries, go to SteelSeries website. After downloading, install the application. Open the application and enter your login credentials, or you can skip this step also. Click on the keyboard and start customizing the lighting accordingly, whichever color you like. That's all my dear friends. If you're having any doubts regarding this process and if you're having any doubts apart from this also, ask me. The comment section is free for you all. Next video I'm posting the Apple Clone Watch which looks exactly like the Apple Watch series. More things I will share in the next video. If you don't want to miss that video, subscribe now. And also tell your opinion which type of video would you like to see in upcoming days. Also I will shout out your name also in that particular video. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me, and I hope I didn't create any boring things for you. See you in the next video and namaste.